Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new quick and easy face painting tutorial with Simone, and this one is perfect for festival season. With the Split Cake Neon Disco by Diamond Effects, Simone creates the basic colors on the skin, and she is using the Simone number 3 brush to create the shapes on the skin with. It is fairly easy, it are just lines and a few stripes with that split cake. Once that basic pattern is on there, we continue to black by Diamond Effects. So we have some curls, we have some teardrops. On the forehead, but on the cheek as well. A few dots using the pink that is in the Split Cake, Valley Girl, a pixie paint glitter with the same colors for a bit of extra bling, a lovely lipstick with a neon pink. And with that, our neon disco face painting tutorial is complete. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked the video.